Okay, so this question, so question 10, it says the height of a cylinder is 24.8 centimetres. The ratio of the diameter of the cylinder to the height of the cylinder is 3:2. So there are two things happening in this question. We've got a ratio and we're also talking about a cylinder. And it says find the volume of the cylinder. So let's actually draw this out to see what we've actually got. So we've got a cylinder. It looks like this, okay? To work out the volume of a cylinder, it's the area of the circular face, and the area of a circle is pi times radius squared, and then you times it by the height, okay? Right, we're told that the height is 24.8, so no, I'm going to have to use that at some point, okay? The ratio of the diameter to the height is 3:2. So we're going to have to use this because we haven't got any other information, because we need to work out what the radius is, so then we can work out the volume. So we've got the ratio and it's the diameter to the height. Okay, and it's in the ratio 3:2. Okay, so it always goes in order. So diameter is first, so it's first, height is second, so that's the second number. We're told the height. Now, this isn't a question where you would add these two together and then you would divide by 5. So what we've got is, if we want to draw it out, because I've shown you how to do it using a bar model, we've got 3 parts, which are the diameter. And I've got 2 parts, which are the height. I'm told that the height, just this section here, is 24.8. Okay, so what I have to do is I have to figure out what one part is to then work out the 3 lots of the diameter. So I would do 24.8 divided by 2, because there are only 2 parts belonging to the height, which is 12.4. Okay, so each of these is worth 12.4. So what I would do is I would do 12.4 times 3, which is 37.2. Okay, you can use your calculator to work that out. So what I know now is the diameter is 37.2. What I want to know though is the radius. Let's just check my calculations, all right? So I did 24.8 divided by 2, which is my 12.4. I times it by 3. To give me 37.2. So now I want the radius, and the radius is half of the diameter. So I'm going to do 37.2 divided by 2. So I'm going to divide by 2, and I get the answer 18.6 centimetres. So what I know now is my radius in here is 18.6 centimetres. Okay, right, so now we're going to work out the volume. So the volume equals pi times 18.6 squared times the height, which is 24.8. So what I would do is I put that in my calculator. So pi times 18.6 squared times 24.8 shift equals, so it gives me the answer 26,954.26178. Now let's just check what it says here. You give your answer correct to 2 significant figures. So what we do is we count from the start, 1, 2. So my cut-off point is here. The 9 makes the 6 round up to 7, and we have to replace the numbers before the decimal point with zeros. So it's 27,000, and it'd be centimetres cubed for volume.